GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, I am going to explain a very easy technique, very simple technique to get the answer for the multiplication of any two-digit number by 11, like 23 into 11, 48 into 11, 65 into 11, 49 into 11, 76 into 11, etc. Dear friends, though you know the 11th table, to complete the multiplication by our regular method called traditional method, it takes a long time to complete the multiplication. If you understand clearly the technique what I am going to explain, you can complete the multiplication within 3 seconds. And remember, that technique is very easy. The procedure for that technique is like this. You try to remember this procedure before completing the multiplication. Let it be any two-digit number in the form of AB is multiplied by 11. The first step is you write this B as it is in the unit place digit. Then you add A and B. If you add A and B, you are getting X and Y. Like, let it be A equal to 5 and B equal to 8. If A equal to 5, B equal to 8, then A plus B is equal to 13. Then you can say this X is 1 and Y is 3. X is 1 and Y is 3. You write that Y here. And the X is coming under carry forward. The carry forward equal to X. You add that X to the next number, that is A, for getting your answer. Here A plus carry forward is X. You got the answer. For example, in the A plus B term, if A equal to 2 and B equal to 5, A plus B equal to 7, but write in terms of two digits 0, 7. In this case, this is the X and this is the Y. You write that Y here and this X is coming under carry forward. You add that carry forward X to A for getting the third digit, that is A plus X. I hope you clearly got my point. It can be understood in the better manner if I take some numericals. Let us take some numericals. Look at the multiplication number 23 into 11. What you have to do, you write this 3 as it is. Then add the 2 and 3 is equal to 5, but you should write in terms of 0, 5. You take this 5 and write here. Therefore, the second digit is 5. This 0 is coming under carry forward. You add this carry forward to the 3. 2 plus carry forward 0 equal to 2. You got your answer. Therefore, 253 be the value of 23 into 11. See how simply you are getting your answer. Similarly, let us take one more multiplication number, 48 into 11. What you have to do? You write this 8 as it is. Then add the 4 and 8. You are getting 12. You take this 2 right in the second place. This 1 is coming under carry forward. You add that carry forward to this 4. 4 plus 1, 1 is carry forward equal to 5. 528 be the answer for the multiplication of 48 and 11. See how simply you are getting your answers. Look at the next one, 58 into 11. You take this 8 right here in the unit place, then add the 5 and 8 equal to 13. You take this 3 to right here, and this one is coming under carry forward. You add that carry forward for the 5. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 638 be the value of 60. 638 be the value of 58 into 11. I hope you are all clearly following. Similarly, let us go for the another multiplication number. Look at the next one. 64 into 11. You write this 4 as it is. Add the 6 and 4. For getting 1 0, you write that 0, this 0 here, and 1 is coming under carry forward. This carry forward you add for the 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. 704 be the value of 64 into 11. Similarly, another problem is 89 into 11. You write this 9 as it is. 8 plus 9 equal to 17. You write this 7 here. This is coming under carry forward for the 8. 8 plus carry forward is 1. 9. 979 be the value of 89 into 11. You can also compare with your calculator. See, we are getting within 3 seconds the complete answer. Look at the next one. 67 into 11. First you write this 7 here. Add 6 and 7. 13. You write this 3 here as a second digit. 3. This 1 is coming under carry forward. Then 6 plus carry forward is 1 equal to 7. 737 be your answer. Look at the 96 into 11. First you write this 6 as it is. 9 plus 6 equal to how much? 15. From the 15 you take out the 5 right here. This one is coming under carry forward. Carry forward is 1. Then you add that 1 for the 9. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 1056 be the value of 96 into 11. Look at the next one. 43 into 11. You write this is 3 as it is. 4 plus 3 equal to 7, but write in terms of 2 digits. You take this 7 to write here. Here the carry forward is 0. Then you add this carry forward for the 4. 4 plus 0 equal to 4. The 473 be the value of 43 into 11. Are we not getting the answer within 3 seconds? Absolutely you are getting. Look at the other one. 39 into 11. You write this 9 as it is. 3 plus 9, 12. From the 12, you take out the 2 to write here. You write the 2. This 1 is coming under carry forward. You add that 1 for the 3. This 3. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 429 be the value of 39 into 11. Similarly, let us take one more multiplication number. Look at the value. 67 into 11. You take this 7 right here. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. From the 13 you take only unit place digit, that is 3, and this 1 is coming under carry forward. You add that carry forward for the 6. 6 plus carry forward 1 equal to 7. 737 be the value of 67 into 11. Similarly, let us take the last problem. Look at the last one. 89 into 11. From the 89 you take this 9 right here. You add the 8 and 9 equal to 17. From 17 you take the 7 to write here. You write the 7 here. The carry forward is 1. This 1 is coming under carry forward. You add that carry forward for the 8. 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 979. 979 be the value of 89 into 11. See how simply, how easily you are getting the answer. Dear friends, I hope you clearly understood. You try some more multiplication numbers like 97 into 11, 83 into 11, 49 into 11, 25 into 11. You try these problems. If you find any difficulty, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely, I will answer all your doubts. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Please subscribe our channel called GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much.
GeoByte.